वो पल किस्सों में कैद रह गए, मेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए। है बन्नो सांचे में खिलती फूल सी, खुशबू लम्हों में सिमटे रह गए, तेरी कुड़माई के दिन आ गए।
षष्ठी दशा शुभ विवाह शुभादिवासनमस्तु।
on behalf of Srishti and Kyle and their wonderful families, it is my absolute joy to welcome each of you to this beautiful celebration of love, commitment and new beginnings. Today is not just a milestone, it's a promise. A promise that two incredible souls have made to walk life journey together, hand in hand, heart to heart.
छाप तिलक सब छाप तिलक सब छीनी रे मुसीबत
Mala Bodham is a beautiful and meaningful ritual. It is one of the most tender and soulful moments in the entire ceremony. This serene exchange of garlands symbolizes Kyle and Srishti's mutual acceptance and respect for one another.
आज इबादत आज इबादत रूबरू हो गई जो मांगी थी जो मांगी थी उस
देखा तेनू पहली बार वे होने लगा दिल बेकरार वे रब्बा मैनू की हो गया दिल जानिए मैं तेरा ही हो गया हो तेरे अगे पीछे घूमे सोने जदों तेरे हाथ चुमे सोने
You need to do something. You need to take off your shoes. How sweet is it like this? Shrimpness. And now we won't give it back till you give us money. Yeah, we need dollars. We are not going to give it back to you till the time we get money.
So, and the demand is, it is a game, Kai. Okay, it is a game. So, they will not give back your shoes till the time you fulfill their demand.
In dollars.
Yeah, in dollars. You can say I won't wear my shoes.
Can I be on his heart?
$10 will be on your side, so you can order a new pair of shoes on Blinkit or Amazon.
Yes.
Just tell and we'll get it.
Okay. Don't worry, don't worry.
আরে টামার পের দিন
চলবে না না এসব চলবে না
No, no, no.
এসব চলবে না
তো বাপু যদি বল নিয়ে যা নিজে খালি বাড়ি করে বাবা
He starts with one bus.
Kiतना demand है?
No, no, one dollar.
$1 is too much. $1 Canadian. $1 Canadian. US dollar is too much. $1 is too much. $1 Canadian.
पापा चिल्लर पूछे यार
Anybody got a 10 rupee note? Okay.
We'll order a new pair of shoes. I can get it.
20 rupees.
Pasta make it pasta na
No.
These guys who are giving you dollars will go away. These cousins will stay till you fulfill their demand. So make a choice which is good.
টাকা নিয়ে নিতে তোমার
Give it to him. We don't
No,
want
no,
this.
no, you have accepted it. No, no, no.
No. Come here.
Okay. How much is it?
So let's negotiate.
Okay, let's negotiate. Okay, how much?
$10,000
$10,000.
Okay.
In cash.
in cash.
You can be arrested right now.
I'll be very kind with you. Let's make it $6. 500 টাকা.
No, 200.
Huh?
200 rupees.
10,000 200. I'll be realistic. Okay, hold on. Shruti is going to quote a figure. Shruti,
How much?
How much do you think
And
this
please
will
mention the currency of it.
Shruti, you will only give $20,000.
Okay. Okay, Ugandan dollars.
20,000 rupees.
No, she's on your side. You should also be on your side. You are our side, yeah. She's on my side. No, you guys also on our side. Yeah. You want that? Good, yes, let's go.
How much? Okay, see you guys next.
कदम च रखा ढोलना मैं तेरे अगे अखियां ना चक्का ढोलना जे तेरे ते रब विचों तकना पए ते फिर मैं तेनू ही तक्का ढोलना तू जदों तेरी जुल्फां नू खोलिया मेरे कोलों गया नहीं जे बोलिया मेरी तू कमी हो गया दिल जानिए ऐ मैनू की हो गया
The petals fall where dreams reside. 每一步都带来希望。We walk together, love as our guide. 星光点亮夜空的温柔，牵着我的手，走向永恒。Your hand in mine, our hearts unfold. 有水轻唱爱恋的歌。
We would like to welcome Srishti and Kyle.
Good evening, everyone. The much awaited moment is here. It's time to raise the curtains and introduce someone very special to all of us. someone who is soon going to be a part of our family. This charming young man was born on August 31st in the picturesque city of Vancouver, where snow-capped mountains, lush forests, and the sparkling Pacific Ocean meet, creating a natural playground in every direction. So as we welcome him into our family today, let's give him a big heartfelt round of applause to Kyle for the love, laughter, and countless wonderful memories he's going to bring into our lives. So can we all hear it for Kyle, please?
Good evening, everyone. I'm going to now introduce the reason why we're here, our girl Shrishti. What defines her most, however, is her deep desire to help others. With warmth, compassion, and insight, Shrishti uplifts those around her and makes them feel seen, heard, and valued. Today, as we celebrate her, we honor not just her accomplishments, but the spirit of kindness, resilience, and the light she carries wherever she goes. Let's hear it for Shrishti and Kyle. Woo!
Got to move it, move it. We got to move it, move it. We got to move it, move it. We got to move it.
Eres tú, ¿dónde has estado? He removido cielo y tierra y no te encontré. Y llegas hoy tan de repente y das sentido a toda mi vida con tu querer.
ना मैं समझा ना मैं जाना जो भी तुमने मुझसे कहा है सेन्योरिटा, मगर फिर भी न जाने क्यों मुझे सुन के अच्छा लगा है सेन्योरिटा.
No desvíes la mirada, quédate cerca de mí.
मुझको बाहों में तुम घेरो, समझी ना सेन्योरिटा.
चाहत के दो पल भी मिल पाए दुनिया में ये भी कम है क्या, दो पल को तो आओ खो जाए, भूले हम होता हम है क्या सेन्योरिटा. सुनो सुनो सेन्योरिटा कहते हैं हम क्या.
Well, thank you for everyone for coming out to celebrate with me and Shrishti tonight. We appreciate all of you for joining us. And I must say, it's been an absolute pleasure getting to know each and all of you. My parents always raised me growing up with such high family values. And I'm so grateful to be joining a family that's so kind, warm, and welcoming, that share the same values.
So I would like to echo my appreciation to my parents, my grandparents, my Pipi, my mama, and all their families, and my sister. They've spent countless hours making all of these events so special, and just the attention to detail, and just making sure that all we had to do was show up and enjoy, and I'm really appreciative of all of that. And I also want to thank all of you. A lot of you have traveled so far just to come celebrate with us, and it's just so touching to see all the warmth and respect that all of you have towards my parents and towards me, and that's now extended towards Kyle and my new family. And I'm just overwhelmed with so much gratitude to be able to have all of you in our lives and to be able to start this new chapter together with all of you by our side.
Nanu, Shukriya, Abake, Pyar, Ar Atake Ke Liye. Bubu, Apnar, Balobasha, Ar Ador, Amake Chuye Gechi. Thank you, everyone.
Shaking, no, no.
नीले अंबर पर चांद जब आ जाए, प्यार बरसा जाए, हमको तरसाए। ऐसा कोई साथी हो, ऐसा कोई प्रेमी हो, प्यास दिल की बुझा जाए। नीले अंबर पे चांद जब छा जाए, प्यार बरसाए, हमको तरसाए।